So I'm constantly asked about the one call close methodology and how to actually get paid on the first call. Now, in order to snip this down into a simple YouTube video that you can take action on right away, I'm going to tell you one really key piece that you need to implement. And it's uncomfortable, but sales happen in the uncomfortable. Hey there, Alex Schlinsky here for Prospecting on Demand. I am a digital marketer, subject matter expert on sales, coaching, and of course, the anti-hustle model. I run and operate a company called Prospecting on Demand, a mentorship and mastermind community for agency owners, coaches, and consultants just like you, helping them build better businesses by building a business that better facilitates their life, going against the hustle culture, and helping you build something that you're going to be satisfied with, fulfilled with, and happy with in the long run. Remember this line: the more uncomfortable you are, the more comfortable you become. And here it is. You need to tell people to make the investment with working with you, not asking them. Think about it right now. Are you finishing your calls saying, hey, what do you think, prospect? Hey, do you want to do this? Hey, are you ready for the next step? Hey, are you ready to implement this? Don't ask them. Tell them. You are the expert. You are on the call, positioned as someone that can help them solve the problem that they have and achieve the solution that they want. There's a gap between where they are now and where they want to go. They don't want to finish the call with uncertainty. They want to finish the call with confidence because you're convicted, you are authentic, you are confident with absolute certainty that they must work with you. Because if they didn't, it would be the biggest mistake of their life. They would miss out on a massive opportunity to achieve the goals that they have. And you can help them do it. You are uniquely suited to do that. You should be fired up hearing this because you believe in your product so much that at the end of the calls, you should be saying, you have to do this. This is right for you. It's why you got on this meeting, and I know I can help you. Please listen to this. Do this. It will make a huge difference. And just know this. When you actually get to the position of the call where you're about to get to the fulcrum of, hey, I'm ready to make the offer, and you want so badly to say, what do you think? Just remember this video. Just remember how great you are. Just remember the product that you provide and how much support you can help this person if they make the investment. And you have one job to do. Tell them to do it. Don't ask them to do it. Tell them with confidence that this is what they need because you know it in your heart of hearts that this is the right fit for them, for you, and for their clients. And when everyone wins, that's the best possible scenario in sales. Go get them. Don't be uncomfortable. Step into that uncomfort and get excited about closing the loops in your sales by being confident in what you do. I believe in you, and I know the digital marketer team does too. Go get them.